Hey guys, so I want to show you my Boxycharm, which I am really excited about. I really do like all the products that's in it. And right now on my eyes, I'm also wearing the products right now, like the eyeshadows, which I think it's really nice. So this is the box that it came with, of course. And these are the lists of all the products as well that's in the box. And I really like all of them like so much because I think they're like just really good products. Like this one is like one of my favorite blushes. I'm wearing that a little bit on the apples of my cheeks. So what came with this is the eyebrow, and this is called, I don't want to say it wrong, let me see, where is it? Chela Beauty Eyebrow Cream, and it's $26. So today I've been using this specifically for my eyebrows, and I think it's fast and easy to use. Like, you don't have to sharpen it. It's just a gel that you dip in. You just open it like this, and you just go in it, and you just, you know, put it on your eyebrows, and I think it like really shapes it nicely too. So I think that was really nice. So I'm gonna put it back together because I can be pretty sloppy with this sometimes. So I like this one too. I think this one's like my favorite one. And this is called, let me see what this one's called. And I really like the mascara because I like to mix my mascara sometimes. I use the Lancome Big Mercier, and then on top to make it like really curved up, I use this, and I like to use this at the bottom of my lashes too. And what is this called? I think this is called Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. And it's only $24. So the wand looks like this. And I like it because it's really flat and like it really makes it curve up, and it makes your lashes look really nice as well. So I like this a lot too. It's cute because it's different. It comes in like a squeezy bottle. It doesn't come in like the other mascaras, you know, like the typical ones. This is really different, so I like it a lot. I like everything a lot. So, and this is called, I don't know what, it's called Note Blush. It's in, I have the shade Desert Rose, and it's in Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. So I think it's really pretty for summer, like this shade, and looks like this, and it's really pigmented. You can even use that as a transition color for your eyes as well. So I think I like this as well. And last but not least, this color. Oh my god, this is so nice. I love all these colors. I'm wearing it right now. I'm like wearing all the shades. So what I did is, for transition color, I used this nude shade right here. And then in my inner corner here, like my outer corner here, I used this color. And then I also used this color. And then it's just so nice. And I also use this color as well. So I use like these colors on my eyes. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one for my eyes. So I think that's really, I really like this palette because you can do really nice smoky looks. And then like for the shimmer, I use also the ColourPop Cosmetics for my inner corner right here. Like all of this. I use this shade, and it's called Howdy. And oh my god, so pretty. So it looks like this. And I really love these colors because these are very metallics and shimmers and mattes, and I really like it a lot. And I'm gonna just purchase more of these cute palettes. It's so cute and small, and it's not bulky looking, which I really like. I like how palettes, you just open it and you just close it. Like the metal ones, they always tend to break off, and that's really annoying sometimes. You know, so like these are just so easy to use when it's cardboard like that. You just want to like bend it too much though. So it's good to take care of your things. Be gentle with it. So I admit I like for this month, all these products I really like a lot. Like I love the blush, like that's very useful. The eyebrows, it's so quick and easy. I use it every single day. And for my foundation, by the way, I used the Clinique Even Better Makeup SPF 15. It's in the shade 07, and it's in the shade Vanilla. So I really like this shade too. And I also mix it with this L'Oreal True Match Lumi Cloche. I mix it with this and this. It's in here somewhere. Those Lumi drops. I mix all of my foundation. So just give me like, it gives me more of a glow look when I mix it. So I just mix this, and this all together, and it gives me that nice glow, which I really like. And I'm really liking this concealer. It makes your eyes really dewy and young. So I'm gonna show it to you right now. 1 second. So this is the concealer I'm using. It's called Femme Couture Get Luminous Concealer Pen, and I got this in Sally's. So it looks like this. Sometimes, like in the summertime, I want my face to look refreshed and dewy, and my skin like nice and soft looking. I really like that because when it's too cakey, it just doesn't look nice sometimes, you know. And I want to show you guys these products that I use on my face, which I really like. Like I always see on Instagram like people or makeup artists using these highlighters, and it's called Hyper Real Glow. And I think it was like $34. I went to Macy's and I purchased this, and it gives you like the most beautiful glow ever. Like, I'm like, why didn't I get this sooner? I like this color because it's good for like, it makes your tan look nice. I like all of the colors though. So it's just so pretty, and it's not glittery, so that's what I like. It's not as glittery. It's just very dewy, and it makes your skin look really soft, you know. So this is really nice. I like it. So I used that today. I used it on my face. I don't know if you can see it. Right here and here and a little bit up here. And I also use this. It's called m.a.c. So these two products are from m.a.c. This is called Whisper of Guilt Extra Dimension Skin Finish. And this is so nice because I see like no glitter or shimmer in this product, and I think it looks good on you because it will look good on the person, whoever is wearing it, with any skin tone, because it just gives you that nice glow. It's not glittery where it's like all over the place after a while, like your glitter is all over your eye or your face, and it just doesn't look good like that, you know. I'm very picky with my I thought I did my eyeshadow on my finger and then put it back in here. So it looks like, I'm gonna give you so it looks like this. It looks intense like here, but I put a little bit on my cheeks. It looks very natural, and it gives you like that sweaty look, which is really nice. And it's called Whisper of Guilt Extra Dimension Skin Finish. So I think that's really nice. I like this a lot. They have like a lighter shade and like a white silvery shade, and then another shade lighter than this. I really like these because I wanted to get new highlighters, and I feel like I keep wearing the same ones, and I think these are just different than the ones I have right now. I like the Becca highlighters too, but sometimes, I don't know, like I don't, because it can be too glittery for me sometimes. It depends what mood I am in. So I like their bronzers and their blushes. I don't have any, yeah, I have like 2 of their blushes actually with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I like those blushes too. And their other blushes, because I went to Sephora and I swatched it on my hand. I'm like, oh, it's really good pigment. It gives me a nice glow. But the bronzers are really nice. I think like I'll be purchasing, if they make more bronzers, more. And these are like really cute. Like I never saw anything like this, you know, like the highlighter on the sides and then 3 different shades here. It's really nice. So what I do is I just take my brush and I just contour with that. And I'm wearing it right now. It's really, I think I forgot contour here. No, I'm just kidding. It's just a shadow. I used it on my face, and it's really, they have 2 shades of this. I like, this one's more like a cooler tone, and the other one was more like a warmer tone, but I didn't purchase the other one. I almost did, but I'm not that dark too. I want to look good. So I want to show you what I'm wearing on my lips. So I love the Anastasia neutral colors. The nude colors from Anastasia and Beverly Hills are just so nice. I'm wearing the shade Ashton Liquid Lipstick, and it's just so pretty because sometimes with my smoky eyes, when I do like a vibrant color or just want like a natural look, I don't want to always wear and go out with a bright lip, you know. I just want to, you know, look basic, or not basic, but neutral. And I think this is really nice. It goes with the warm tones of your eyes, you know. And on top of it, I put a NARS Dolce Vita. I put this on top. I love the NARS lip glosses. They're so pretty. And it looks like this. So I really like that. Like for summer, I like to put, I know I would keep saying summer, but it's the truth. Like I like to just, I don't always like to wear matte. I like to wear glossy looks with like a dewy face. I think that's really pretty, you know, as well. I do like some matte looks, but I feel like, I don't know, my skin can get really dry when I go out in the heat. And then like just the sun's like beaming on my lips, and it just, you know, it cracks. So like this is so simple and nice. So like the trick is, when like I like to do is I like to wear the liquid matte lipsticks, and then on top of it, to make it like softer, I put a little bit of this, so I can just, I like to move my lips sometimes, you know, like when I go out, and or I don't want anything too drying on my face. So these blushes are nice. I'm wearing just a little bit today, but I love like apricot colors or like bronze colors, like a very light neutral color on my face. This is so nice because I have something similar like this, but it's like from a different brand. So I'm glad they're like making colors like this because I feel like it goes with everyone. So this is really nice, and I love how they always just give you full size samples, you know. So that's what I'm all wearing all on my face, all of this. And the Crown eyeshadow collection is $29.99, which isn't too bad. I think it's all well worth it with all the colors in there, and plus the eyeshadow pans are really big. Well, not really big, but they're big. They're a good amount of size. They're not small. I only used the Nor baggage. That's $42 just once. I think it does help with the eye baggage, and it evens out your color and the darkness of your eyes because it has like that orange tint to it. So it's really nice that it gets rid of that puffiness, you know, even though sometimes I do like to look a little puffy under my eyes, not too like swollen, because that's not pretty either. But I just put a little bit here and here. Like right now I have a little bit of bagginess in my eyes, but I don't care. So I didn't use it today because I forgot. It was just like in there. But I think it's a really good price. The most expensive one here, I think, is this one. Once you start to use it every day, I think you start noticing that it's working. 'Cause like certain products I'll start using every day, and I notice like, wow, like it's so nice, like it's actually working on my skin. Like you're not gonna notice it in one day, of course. It's something you have to do it every day. Like my skincare, I'm starting to go to like the Korean websites or Japanese websites. I feel like their skincare really helps my skin and makes it look more refreshed and nice, and it's worth the price. It's like they all have like different types of prices in there. I'll put the link down below, like where I go to get my skincare, but I like to go on stylekorean.com. It's called Style Korean, and I also like what's it called? Valley. It's like VELY.com. I think that's nice too. So these are all the products that I think is worth it. That was in the Boxycharm. And I haven't been using a lot of these, but I will. Like I just been using this color here. The yellow one is so intense. Like that's really pretty to do like a gold look, but right now I'm just using the Crown and this palette, and I also use like one color only on this palette today. Like I use this color. It's called Cocoa Taxi and Cafecito and Tropico. With those three colors, so I really like it. So this is my look that I have right now. I'm just gonna get closer. Looks like this. And I think it's really nice. Let me just turn off one of the lighting. It's a bit dark in here, but I don't know if you can see it better here. It looks like this. And just move it. And I really like how my lips look too. I'll just turn this back on, see? So I really like the mascara. It really does make my eyelashes curled up. So I think this is well worth it. I really cannot wait for next month's Boxycharm. I'm hoping to get more of like lip colors, maybe bronzers and a highlighter. That would be so cool. I would want to try that Ofra highlighter. That would be so awesome if they put that in here. Like I would be, because I never tried it. I only swatched it on my hand, but that would be so awesome. That would be so awesome. Highlighters and more of like the different lip colors that I never tried before. You know what would be more awesome though? Like if they do like makeup brands that are like from different countries and put samples in here, because that would be just so cool. But I think I'm just as happy just with these. But I want to show you my outfit. I don't know, this is kind of embarrassing because my quality is not too good. But I'm wearing this. I'm just gonna put it closer like this. It's just a romper, and I'm also wearing like these sneakers with it. So I really think this is a cute outfit to wear. This. I'm just gonna move this here. And that's what I'm wearing. And this is like one of my favorite necklaces to wear as well. I think it's really cute. So hope you guys have a lovely day today. I might just go out and eat soup because it's raining right now. It's like gloomy outside, you know. And I don't know, maybe just relax, do something fun. I don't know. Very private about my life. I don't really like to say what I do, but hope you guys have a fabulous day. Take care.